This is الدرس الأول in the connectors, and we're looking at تمرين واحد. So here you have the lesson. From lesson 1, you have drill number 1, fill in the blanks with the appropriate conjunctions. So we're going to fill in these sentences with the conjunctions that we learned, واو and fa and thumma and أو. So I'm going to go through some of the meanings of the words in these sentences to help you fill in those conjunctions in the blanks provided. So number 1, خرج الأستاذ blank الطالب معا. So the professor went out blank the student together. Number 2, سافرت الزوجة blank سافر زوجها بعد يومين. So the spouse, the wife traveled blank, her husband traveled after 2 days. Number 3, أحس بتعب شديد. He felt extreme tiredness blank. طلب الطبيب على الفور. He sought the doctor immediately. لقد, number 4, لقد دعاهم إلى مذهبه. So he called them to his point of view or his approach. Blank لم يستجب له أحد. Nobody responded to him. Number 5, ليت لي طائرة. Oh, would that I had a plane. Blank أزور بها العالم كله. That I could visit with it the entire world. Number 6, لقد اشتغل بالتمثيل. He worked in acting. Blank اتجه إلى الإخراج. اتجه means to turn, to make a way or to change, to set out in a direction. And إخراج is production, i.e. to be a producer. So اتجه إلى الإخراج. He moved towards production. 7, هذه الصورة تضم الممثلين blank المخرجين blank الفنانين الذين اشتركوا في الحفل. So this picture gathers together actors blank, producers blank, artists who worked together in the or who joined together or were all together participating in the party. لا تقود سيارتك لا تقود سيارتك مسرعا. Don't drive your car fast blank. تصدم المارة. You might hit a passerby or someone walking by. 9, هل تفضل أن تستمع إلى الموسيقى? Do you prefer to listen to music? Blank إلى الغناء. Blank to singing. لا أدري هل أذهب إلى الحفلة. Blank أعتذر. I don't know if I'm going to go to the party. Blank I will excuse myself. Number 11, 11 تحدث معي طويلا blank أخرني عن موعد الغداء. He spoke with me for a long time blank. He delayed me from the lunch appointment. 12 هل سافر إلى لبنان blank سوريا blank مصر. Did he travel to Lebanon blank Syria blank Egypt. Hopefully that helps you fill in the blanks with the conjunctions that we learned. مع السلامة.